People seem to really enjoy my cooking videos. I've been looking forward to using some really strange purple sweet potatoes and make a sweet potato pie with meringue filling, but I need icing sugar and I need butter for the graham cracker crust. So I'm going to Wegmans. Also going to get my eyes checked so I can renew my driver's license. Hi, I'm back from the store. I'm ready to get started with this delicious lavender sweet potato pie. Purple sweet potatoes, graham crackers, 4 eggs. This is a 1/4 teaspoon for the salt, butter, and confectioner sugar, sweetened condensed milk, and a little bit of old coconut. Sweet potatoes in, starting with cold water. Bring those up to a boil and boil them. I'm going to start a timer for 30 minutes now. Next, I'm going to heat up the butter for the crust. Sugar and candy these lavender flowers that I grew in the garden. Are done, so I'm going to drain these and put them in a nice bowl. There are the purple sweet potatoes mixed together with the sweetened condensed milk. The next step is to wipe down all of the equipment with lemon juice so it's free of all fat. in the oven at 350 for half an hour on top of that graham cracker crust. Got my egg white, confectioner sugar. As I whip it up, 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon. Toffeed lavender blossom, some sweetened coconut, and that meringue. I'm going to take the pie out of the oven, top it with meringue, and dust it with these other flakes. Put it in the oven at a lower temperature, so I'm going to lower the temperature from 350 down to about 200. Put that in there for an hour and then turn that off and leave it in for another hour so that meringue on top gets nice and dried out. And let's hopefully see this as a beautiful lavender sweet potato pie. That is looking pretty good. Crushed up toffeed lavender blooms. Broil it on top for a few minutes and turn the oven off. It may not look very pretty, but this is delicious. Crunchy, chewy meringue. Light and fluffy sweet potatoes with the sweetened condensed milk and egg yolks. Crunchy, gooey, toffeed sugar. I don't taste much of the lavender, but it's crispy and good. Pairs well with cider.